we came here to ball, and you can ball too. Make sure y'all get y'all exclusive Southside Soldier shirts, man. Y'all make sure y'all get y'all one. We got college shirts, you feel me? If you want to have a little petite look, got a little logo in the front, in the corner, you feel me? Then you got one in the back, boy, nigga can be talking about you behind your back, but you got that soldier on there, that's on there. I already know we got your back, homie. Yeah, we got the tees too, homie. Southside Soldier Entertainment. Make sure you get that. You get yours custom made like Cash Money Moolah. Got hers right here. Be a Cash Money Moolah fan, get the Cash Moolah. You can put your name on there, however you want to do it. Or you can be like, who that? I went with all black, you feel me? Straight all black. Popping tags over here too. Hey, straight all black right there, you feel me? With these Southside Soldier sign on there, you feel me? Make sure y'all support the movement, man. You can get Who Dat. I know him, he probably your favorite rapper. You feel me? Get the little Who Dat on the back. Or get your name on it, man. We got all colors, all sizes, man. And make sure you get you some little petite, you feel me? Exclusive, you feel me? But you can really be like a Southside Soldier, man. You feel me? We rocking that with the tees, you feel me? With the exclusive, like for example, we rocking shit like this, look, bum. Whole little outfit, Southside Soldier Entertainment, get your little fitted camouflage. It's camouflage season, baby. We bringing all that back. Southside Soldier Entertainment, let's do it, baby. I'm on my masterpiece shit.